Okay, now we gotta take this. We have to put the counter shaft through the hole here. It's going to make it all nice and dirty. We gotta check our in-play. This cannot be in there yet. So you gotta put this in there first. You gotta put this in there second. You gotta check your in-play.
A little bit.
Appears to be pretty tight.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty loose.
I think I was missing the washer.
Oh.
It sits better like that. So you're on the wrong side of the vehicle now.
Uh-oh.
Washer goes in there. Goes in the center of the hole over here.
You gotta line them up.
And the in-play. Is that too much?
That's a lot.
That's a lot?
I mean, it looks like a lot. I don't know.
It's going up and down.
That does move.
It's not too tight, is it?
No.
Don't have to worry about it being too tight.
No, but it doesn't look like it's that tight.
So you're thinking this might be too thin for you?
That, yeah, probably.
About how much?
A lot. You might need 2 of those.
You need 2 of them, huh?
Yeah.
How thick is that? That's an 83. That's pretty thick. I think you need some thicker ones.
Do they make thicker ones?
Put them in another box. You didn't bring your thrust washers with you in the house, did you?
I think that's all the thrust washers I had.
Alright. So you're thinking you want something thick?
Yeah.
Like 105?
That's thick right there. Wow.
Well, I'm going to look at thicker, but not much thicker. I'm going to go with one.
That might be too thick.
This is 120. 115 is the big one.
Well, I might just have to live with what I got. That might be too thick.
Doesn't appear to want to go in there. This appears to be too thick.
Yeah, that's probably why this size is in here.
That's not your old one anyway.
Oh, it's not?
No. Oh, there it goes. It goes in snug. Okay, so we know it goes in there, so that means it's tight. So we know this one's too big. But it does go in.
Yeah, so it's a little too big, but
See, no in-play. What number was that?
105.
105. So that means you need something thinner than a 105.
This is a 83. So something like 90?
So we got 78. There's a 95.
Let's try that.
There's a 100. Perfect for you. It's a 100 used.
Yeah, that extra grime will give it a little bit of a coating. A little bit of a...
Needs to be. We have to. Well, it has the wear mark. The wear mark gives you extra clearance.
Yeah.
So the 100 would be 5 more clearance, and the wear marks will give you a little more than that.
Yeah.
But they're having cop car racing right now.
Yeah, it sounded like they were chasing somebody.
He was chasing himself. Only one car. That how didn't count. Jeez, he must have been just. Must have been bathroom break. Did they just open the toilet up down there for the week? Okay, so you got the bad part goes this way, not this way. Except it's bad on both sides, so.
Doesn't really matter then.
I'm trying to figure which side is. I think this is the side that's worn more for the.
Just dirtier. It looks just a little dirtier.
See, so you go down like that. See, it slips in there really nice, and you got in place, see?
Yeah, that looks like the right amount.
Yeah, well, hard to measure it, but yeah, it appears to have some clearance. So it's pretty snug, but it'll work. Okay, I'm thinking that's probably the one we're going to use. If we had like a 98, it'd be even better. But so that's how you pre-check your in-plays. So that's the one we're using for now. This one here was no good. What size was this one?
83.
83. Look at it way down here somewhere. 79. 86. Oh, it says 90. 78. It doesn't appear these are all correctly spaced. There's 85. We'll call that the same one.
They probably called it an 85. It's warm now.
There's a 99. 75. 95. 86. 80. So next one down is 5 more thou. That'd be probably the least one you need. I guess they don't have a 98. I thought they had a 98.
So for twin cam, they don't have to do any of this stuff, huh?
Nope, none of it.
Just, I mean, even an idiot like me could snap it together, huh?
Even a moron could do it, yeah.
Wow.
Or a Harley tech. Yeah, even they might be overqualified.
No. So
No, I don't think they're never overqualified. For
back in the day, then, with these motors, these older bikes, the techs actually had to be real mechanics, huh?
Didn't have techs back then, mechanics.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Difference. A tech should know what he does because he went to school, but in the real world, the mechanic has to fix it after he fucks it all up.
Yeah.
At least that's what I think.
I think you're right. I mean, there's probably a good tech out there.
Can't be their tech. They're any good to be a mechanic.
Yeah, but what if they were trained as a tech?
And then too bad for them. They should have learned how to be a mechanic.
What if they were a mechanic and then they got a job in the military or something and then they were told they were going to be a tech?
And they got demoted.
Yeah. Not working on stuff anymore.
Become an instructor.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh, so you're putting him in that way this time,
Which way?
the way you're doing.
Well, I don't have access to the other way.
You could put him on here.
Nope.
Why not?
They don't fit that way.
How many can you do at a time? 2?
Any more than 2 gets too shitty. You can't control them. You can control 2. 3 gets. You always have one that wants to fall out. You try to catch it, the other one falls out, so we wind up only having 1. So you go slower. When we run out of bearings, we have enough.
Yeah. A lot of rollers in this little tranny.
Scooby's over sucking his balls.
You said that on video.
He's doing something over there.
Pretty loudly, too.
Yeah, it was. They probably heard it on video. Okay, that's all you need.
It looks like there's a lot more space.
Yeah, it's just for the grease.
No.
No, plenty of that. Running out of rollers.
So training probably takes like 150 rollers, huh?
88.
Total?
Mm-hmm. Well, minus 2. We lost 2 because it only takes 1. You lose 1 per side over there, and you might lose another one over here. So technically, you probably lose 3. So that'd be only 85. Scooby, are you hungry over there?
He wants more of your pizza.
I think he's just having fun by himself. See, there should be room for 2.
Yeah, you might get 2 in there.
Nope. Ain't no damn way. No way.
Ain't no damn way you're gonna get 2 in there.
Not even close. It's not even attempting to go in that hole.
For love or money, you can't get 2 in there.
If you pitch down, there's too big when you go to the bigger roller. Because your diameter increases by 2/10 times how many?
40.
And by the time you get to 10th thou too big, in the room.
Pretty logical.
So it is. It is exactly how it is. You go in there some grease and pack it in there. That way they don't fall out. Okay, I'm going to lube this up pretty good over here.
Pretty greasy.
We didn't get the inside though, did we? Make sure you get that seal.
Yeah, then it'll seal real good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Got dirty.
Looks a little tight.
Remember, you're going through the seal spacer also. Not just the bearings anymore. Okay, where's your retention device?
On that?
Yeah, nut.
This one here?
There's your nut. Where's your spacer at?
Probably in that drawer.
Look, there's a nut. Don't see it. Appears to be missing. Somebody stole it. Yep, see it.
Been stolen.
Well, it'd be in one of these 2 drawers if it had it. It should be in this drawer. There it is.
There it is.
They're hiding it from me. Oh, there's not room for those. God made that.
And why do you need that? Is that to replicate the sprocket?
Well, it keeps from falling off. But yeah, it also allows you to tighten it up a little bit. It's getting tighter.
So it's like you have something there.
So to make sure it rotates when you're all done. Doesn't appear to have a lot of in-play in there. There it is. There's in-play in there, see?
Yeah, I can see it.
It also has clearance, see how it wobbles. Look at all that. Wasteful. Okay, so that goes into there. And you got this piece. Got that. Got one of those. One of these. One of these.
Yep.
All that stuff. You know what you're missing?
A third gear? No, we have a third gear.
Everything else is missing. You're missing a snap ring. That goes there. Missing a bearing that goes in here. Goes inside of this.
Oh yeah. It's in that junk envelope.
Your tension device. And the snap ring's not there.
No, snap ring's probably in that junk thing too.
You must know those other parts.
Yeah. I think we threw those two out.
Oh well. I think we're out of parts.
Just gonna have to run it like that.
Well, I think we're done for night anyway. It's almost 10.
Yeah.
You gotta get up. Alright, that's it for the night.